Welcome to the DataVare EML to gsuite converter, your easy and reliable solution to transfer EML files directly into your G Suite account. Feature of DataVare EML to gsuite converter. Import EML files into G Suite with all attachments. Maintain the original folder structure. Compatible with all EML-based email clients. Works flawlessly with all versions of Windows OS. Step 1. Download and install the application on your Windows PC. Once installed, launch the software by double-clicking the desktop icon. You'll be greeted with a clean, intuitive interface, ready to begin your import process. Step 2. Click on Browse to locate your EML files. You can choose either folder mode to upload an entire folder or file mode for individual EML files. Step 3. Authenticate your G Suite account. Enter your username and password. Then click Authenticate Me. The software ensures a secure login to protect your data during the transfer. Step 4. Choose your destination folder within G Suite. You can select an existing folder or create a new one directly from the software interface. Step 5. Finally, click on Start Uploading to begin the import process. The software will upload your EML files to G Suite with attachments and original structure preserved. Visit our website or contact support for more details. Thanks for watching.